Hello everybody, welcome back to Design Mechanic. Hope all are doing good. Today we are going to make this part model by using simple tools in SolidWorks 2016. I have taken the dimensions from Machine Drawing book and I have given the book link in the description. So go and check out. Let's get into the video. Let us change the units to mmgs. Click on custom, choose mmgs, select right plane, click on sketch. Now select center line, draw a center line. OK, choose line, roughly draw a profile. Okay, let us dimension it from the end to the center. It's 60. Okay, from this to the central line it's 30. Now from here to center it's 5. From here to the center it's 15. Now it's fully defined. Let us mirror the entities. Select the lines to mirror. Okay, now mirror about the center. Okay, now it's fully defined. Let us draw a center line over here. Okay, let us dimension from here to here. It's 30. Okay, now let us give from here to here. It's 60. Okay, now choose circle. Press circle. Draw another circle over here. Okay, let us dimension it 70. The other one is 50. Okay, now draw line connecting the circles. Okay, let us make relation symmetry with the central line. Okay, now dimension it from here to here. It's 10. Now exit from the sketch. Extrude, boss base, select this one, mid plane, give 80, click on OK. Let us make the sketch visible. Boss base, select this profile, inside profile so that we get a hollow cylinder. Okay, now mid plane, give it as 60. Okay, okay, now choose right plane, sketch, draw a line tangent to the circle, make it tangency. Okay, now the distance from the point to the edge it's 35. Okay, now exit from the sketch, features, rib, make it invert. Okay, value was 10. Right, now choose this face, click on sketch, select circle and draw a circle over here. Dimension it from this to the center point it's 45. From the center point a circle to the origin it's 25. Okay, now make the diameter to 10. Okay, now let us choose linear sketch pattern. Pattern this circle, and it is 2, and here also we need 2. Okay, here it's 50, opposite side, and here it's 90. Okay, now choose features, extrude cut, up to next, click on OK. We have created the geometry, hide the sketch. Okay, now let us select the material, right click, edit material. We'll choose now aluminum 1060, apply, close. Okay, hope all enjoyed the video and learned something from this. See you in the next video.